In today's video, we're answering a question a lot of people ask. Can you view incognito history in Google Chrome? The short answer is no. Chrome does not save your normal browsing history while you're using incognito mode. But on Windows, there is one small thing you may still be able to check, and that is the DNS cache. Now, this is very important. The DNS cache does not show full browsing history, it does not show exact pages you visited, it does not show search terms, and it does not show private tabs. It only shows recently resolved website domains. If this video helps, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more quick tech tutorials. Alright, let's get started. First, press Windows plus S on your keyboard to open the Windows search bar. Once the search bar appears, type command prompt. When you see it in the results, click command prompt to open it. Windows may ask for permission, so if you see a prompt, click yes to continue. Now that command prompt is open, type ipconfig/Displaydns and then press enter on your keyboard. This command will display the DNS cache on your computer. After a moment, Windows will show a list of recently resolved domains. Scroll through the list carefully and review the website domains that appear. Again, this will not give you a complete incognito history, but it can sometimes show sites that were recently visited on the device. If you're trying to understand what incognito mode does, think of it as a privacy feature that prevents Chrome from saving browsing history locally, but it does not make a person completely invisible online. Your internet activity may still leave traces in places like DNS records, router logs, network monitoring tools, or the websites themselves. So if your goal is to check whether incognito mode stored browser history inside Chrome, the answer is no. If your goal is to see whether any recent domain lookups exist on a Windows PC, the DNS cache command is the method to try. And that's it. You've now seen the one Windows-based method that may reveal recently resolved domains after incognito browsing. If this tutorial was helpful, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.